Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Woodcats International is heading to the stock market. The Kingston-based pallet manufacturer is offering just over 833 million shares at 90 cents each in a combined IPO and offer for sale. The offer, which opens February 2 and closes February 20, aims to raise about $750 million. Most of the shares are reserved for strategic investors, partners, and employees, with the rest going to the general public. NCB Capital Markets is the lead broker. Woodcats says the funds will modernize its operations, boost production, and strengthen supply chains across Jamaica and the Caribbean. The company, founded in 1999 and now owned by Derrimon Trading, produces more than 300,000 pallets a year. It also manufactures planter boxes, sawdust, and outdoor furniture. Last year, Woodcats earned $1.08 billion in revenue, with profits up 26%. Investors can view the prospectus on the website of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, this evening, we continue to look at the fallout of the U.S. winter storm on business in Jamaica. Local tourism players say they are already feeling the pinch. Kelisha Williams has details.
Americans are beginning to see the true impact of the massive winter storm that is sweeping across several states. Canada has also been affected. At least 30 people were confirmed dead in the U.S. Tuesday afternoon, and the death toll is expected to rise. Locally, several flights have either been cancelled or delayed since the weekend. At the Sangsa International Airport, for example, some flights that arrived on Monday could not leave until Tuesday morning. Already, some local hoteliers are feeling the impact. Ironically, resort towns like Negril have also been experiencing heavy rain over the past few days.
For many of our fellow hoteliers here in Negril, that has created some amount of discomfort and concern. But I believe that because it's happening in the peak of the winter season, we may see some fall off.
While sympathizing with those impacted by the storm, General Manager at the Tenzing Pen Resort in Negril, Westmoreland is hopeful.
The winter storm is really a two-edged sword. On the one hand, it is very disruptive to people's lives in the United States and Canada, and we do sympathize, we do empathize with them. And as a result of that, those who may have wanted to travel may not travel, but at the same time, that kind of weather also inspires people, pushes people a little bit more to come to Jamaica.
Now, what I did get though was a person left earlier than they were supposed to leave because of the weather. They tried to beat the weather system that was coming in. So they left a little early for that. So it does affect us. I'm sure other people may be expecting arrivals from some of these cancelled flights.
And as the storm passes, hoteliers are looking forward to a boost in tourist arrivals come next month.
Hopefully, the closure of the airports will be short term. And as soon as the airlines can fly again, I'm sure we'll be getting a boost because of the bad weather in the U.S.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 3,560 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 32 points. The winners include ISP Finance Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, West Indies Petroleum Terminals, and Cygnus Credit Investments 10% preference shares. Losers were led by Iron Rock Insurance, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and Tropical Battery. 26 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.58. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.55. The pound is going for $214.83, while the euro is selling for an average $186.66. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.